Exploration is a vehicle that drives us forward into the unknown. It's an adventure that gives us something we didn't have before. Moments that are shared, and memories that are moulded. Exploration is taking a chance. It's grabbing your keys and hitting the road. It's calling your friends and packing your bags, without ever having a plan. Rewriting the routine, delivering the alternative, and rolling the dice just once, or twice. Exploration doesn't just happen in the darkest space or the deepest oceans. It happens in all of our lives, right here at home, to each and every one of us. An unfamiliar place, an untravelled path, an unexpected journey. Exploration is full of surprise and learning. It's an education, it's taking a leap. It's seeing something you've never seen before and doing something never been done. Why not pick up the pen, write a new chapter, and just for a brief moment, start again.